Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to explore one of the most powerful features in the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin, the WP Query Export feature. This tool allows you to export specific sets of WordPress data using custom queries, similar to how developers use WP Query in code, but here, you don't need to write any PHP files or touch your theme. Whether you're a blogger, site admin, or developer, this feature helps you quickly get the exact data you need. Let's get started. Part 1. Where to find WP Query Export. Start by heading to the Export tab inside the WP Ultimate CSV Importer dashboard. Among the export methods listed, select WP Query. This section is where you'll input your custom query. WP Ultimate CSV Importer supports 3 powerful query types: post type query, user query, and comment query. This means you can craft custom exports based on any criteria, like categories, IDs, status, meta fields, etc. Now let's explore this WP Query Export method with some examples. Example 1. Exporting posts with a specific category. Let's say you want to export all posts from the Work-Life Balance Hacks category. Here's how you do it. Enter the following query. Post_type equals post. Category_name equals, and for the category name argument provide the category slug value. Work-Life Balance Hacks _____n. Click Continue. In the next step, give your export file a name, for example, Work-Life Hack Posts. Then choose your desired file format: CSV, Excel, XML, or TSV. Click Export. You'll see the posts from the Work-Life Balance Hacks category exported in your file. Example 2. Exporting custom post types. If you want to export specific custom post types from your site, you can export them with this query export. I want to export product, so here's the query for that. Post_type equals product. Where product is the CPT I want to export. Follow the rest of the steps, like providing file name, file type choosing, and click Export. See, my products are exported. Example 3. Exporting posts by author. To export posts by a specific author, use this query. Post_type equals post. Author_name equals admin. For author name argument, provide the username. Here it is just admin. Proceed by clicking Continue. Name the file, e.g., admin posts, pick your format, and export. You'll get a file with only the posts written by admin. Example 4, exporting users by role. Choose the export query type as user query. If you want to export all users with the role of editor, use this query. Post_type equals user. Role equals editor. Click Continue. Enter a name like editors list. Select your file format, and click Export. Your file will include only those users with the editor role. Wrap up. The WP Query Export feature gives you full control over what WordPress data you want to extract. Whether it's based on category, author, custom fields, post types, users, comments, or date filters, you can craft a query to suit your needs. Be sure to double-check your query syntax. If you're not sure what query types you can use, check out our documentation link in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or reach out to us. Thanks for watching.